So I've been an early medieval archaeologist specialising in the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms for over 20 years, and yet I've been aware that Offa's Dyke, despite it being our biggest ancient monument in Britain, is one of our least understood, and indeed many early medieval historians and archaeologists have kind of avoided it. It's almost too big to tackle as a monument. And so from 2017, with a range of other researchers and heritage professionals and academics, we've joined forces, we've teamed up, a kind of archaeological Avengers, and we've created the Offa's Dyke Collaboratory, which is a research network drawing together the latest thinking, the latest ideas about frontiers and borderlands across early medieval Europe and comparative perspectives from other times and places. And what we're trying to do is to start new projects and raise the profile of not only Offa's Dyke but the Anglo-Welsh borderlands. And we've done this in a variety of ways. We've got a website, we produce blog posts, we are organising a range of academic and public events and talks, and we've created our own open access journal funded by the University of Chester and the Offas Dyke Association. This journal is a one-stop shop for anyone interested in more detailed information about Offa's Dyke, What's Dyke, its sister monument in the northern stretches of the Anglo-Welsh borders, and also other linear earthworks and frontier works from across early medieval Europe. And what we're doing is we're bringing together not only the latest research, but we're publishing some of the classic papers that have been sort of spread in print-only publications, and we're bringing them together, re-editing them, giving them new images and publishing them afresh for new digital audiences. So in all of these ways, what we're trying to do is to help raise the academic profile of Offa's Dyke and other monuments like it, but also as well as that, we're trying to encourage a new era of fresh research and public awareness of these important ancient monuments, and to increase our respect and understanding of their rather fragile nature